Presto's EnviRestore Metal Stain Remover is a specialized solution crafted to gently yet effectively eliminate stains from delicate architectural metal surfaces. This includes anodized aluminum window frames and aluminum composite panels. Its versatility extends to treating glass and polished stone as well. This innovative formula addresses a wide range of challenges, including the removal of mineral deposits from precast leaching, soap scum, high mineral content water, water repellent overspray, caulking residue, rust, efflorescence, salts, and other stubborn stains. It achieves this without the need for heavy machinery, ensuring the integrity of the architectural surfaces. The remarkable efficacy of EnviRestore Metal Stain Remover is evident in our portfolio of high-rise building restorations. The product has restored the luster of window frames, polished metal surfaces, and aluminum composite materials, transforming and rejuvenating their appearance. Application is simple and versatile. Use the EnviRestore foam pad, a microfiber towel, soft sponge, or a white non-abrasive pad. A small amount of the product is applied and gently agitated in a circular motion to lift stains, wiping away any residue. Some surfaces may require multiple applications for optimal results. For larger projects, a motorized polisher with the EnviRestore foam pad can enhance efficiency. However, we recommend a preliminary test on a small, inconspicuous area to prevent scratching. If scratching does occur, we advise using a softer applicator or reducing pressure. If scratching occurs, utilize EnviRestore MSR Superfine, specially designed for the most sensitive architectural surfaces. And in cases where stains persist, Presto's Metal Resurfacer, a more intensive treatment, can be employed. Following restoration, we recommend the application of Presto's Metal Protector MD for invisible, long-lasting protection, or Metal Protector HD for an enriched, glossy finish. EnviRestore MSR is not only an effective solution for restoration projects, but also a valuable demonstration tool. Its rapid, transformative effects on test areas can be a persuasive showcase for potential clients. Available in 1-quart bottles and 12-quart cases, EnviRestore MSR can be conveniently purchased from PrestoRestorationProducts.com. For further information about EnviRestore MSR, including detailed product data and SDS sheets, or for personalized assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Trust in Presto Restoration Products for all your building facade restoration needs.